This is one of the easiest and budget-friendly dish you can make. So I'm making chicken thighs, oven-baked chicken thighs, together with potatoes. It's a one pan dish. So I've slightly cut the chicken thighs so that it'll cook faster and the seasoning will go through. Slightly cut all the pieces of chicken like this. For marinade, I'm going to use a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add a teaspoon of sweet paprika and salt. You can use as much spices as you like, but these are the spices I'm using for this dish. I'm going to squeeze one fresh lemon. And then rub through the spices and make sure the chicken is nice and marinated. I'm going to mix through very nicely and it will look like this. Marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to use baby potatoes. Cut them in half. Cut all your potatoes in half. So these are washed baby potatoes. They can cook very fast. Cut them in half. Once you cut them in half, in a baking pan, put them in a baking pan. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper and a little bit of oil. Just salt and a little bit of pepper. And roughly cut onions just for flavor. I'll put a layer of onions, 3 small onions, medium small onion. Now I'm going to place the chicken on top. The skin side down first, so that when I flip the chicken, the skin can be nice and crisp. So cook the skin side under first in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'll flip the chicken after. So this is after 40 minutes, and then I'll flip the chicken, the skin side up, to crispy the skin side up. I'm going to cook for another 30 to 40 minutes again in the oven. And this is the end results. Easy and nice and delicious. It's very easy to